Uthuthuria wa gikuo kia wakiri Matthew Chalo Bobu wonanitie ni undu urari mubange wega na aria maramuragire ti kwiga maregaga no ni marekite mathabu mao wega ma uria atangihonoka ngero-ini iyo.
Wakili was shot a total of 8 times and with most of the gunshot coming from the right side of the body. We were able to recover 2 bullets which have been given to the investigating officer for ballistic purposes. So he bled, there's a lot of bleeding because there was a injury to the neck vessels. There was also injury to the spine. So these injuries were severe enough to cause death.
Kuringana na uthuthuria uria utafanirio ni muthuthuria wa miri wa thirikari Johansen Oduor, wakiri Bobu ararathirwo maita 8 kuma mwena wake wa urio na uria wa murathire ari hakuhi muno nake.
The terminal wound ballistics, there's something called tattooing. Tattooing is if someone shoots you from nearby, you'll find that there'll be some associated injury on the skin, which are caused by gunpowder, which is coming out and they're hot. So we could see also tattooing on the skin, especially on the chin. This just showed that this person was near the deceased when he was shooting.
Oho kuringana na Oduor, mwiri wake uma na rithathi igiri na icio ingi kuroneka ni ciatũrĩkanĩirie mwĩrĩ wake harathwo na uma na nguraro nyingĩ. Oduor akiuga mũrathĩre ũcio no mũndũ ahonokirie arĩ hakuhĩ mũno na thibitarĩ.
When you have an injury to the jugular vein, which is a very big vein, it requires someone who is near the hospital to survive. Otherwise you'll bleed until you die. Bullet wounds were actually gray zones. Find that they were just passing through the skin but not getting into the body. But some had entry and exit. But now there's this one which we did have an exit and we found it within the left upper arm.
Wakiri Chalo Bobu arathirwo muthenya wa Jumaine akiinuka gwake mwena wa Keren na mito yakuanite na kivikivi na uthuthuria wa gũkũrana gĩtwe gĩa kĩrĩa gĩacũngĩrĩirie gĩko kĩu na ũrathiĩ na mbere nĩguo gũikia ngono arĩa maratabanirie gĩko kĩu kĩa ũnyamu. Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, njĩtagwo Maina Kĩhumo.